Could the secret to explosive plant growth be sitting in your kitchen right now? Gardeners around the world are swearing by yeast fertilizer, but does it actually work, or is it just gardening hype? Let's find out. I'm the Soil Doctor and this is Decoded, where I break down garden myths and test what really works. Today I'll show you what yeast fertilizer is, how it works, and whether it's worth using in your garden. So, what exactly is yeast fertilizer? It's simple. You activate common baker's yeast in warm water with a bit of sugar. This process wakes the yeast up, kicking off fermentation. The result? Tons of plant-friendly compounds like B vitamins, natural growth hormones, and organic acids. Let's talk science. When you pour that yeast mixture into your soil, it's not just feeding plants directly. What it really does is supercharge the beneficial microbes in your soil. These microbes break down organic matter faster and help plants soak up more nutrients. So, yeast acts like a soil booster, making the underground world healthier and more active. Just remember, it's not a substitute for regular fertilizer. It works best as a sidekick, not a solo act. Want to try it yourself? Here's my quick recipe. Mix 1 tablespoon of dry yeast with 1 tablespoon of sugar in 1 liter of warm water. Let it sit for 2 to 4 hours until the top is nice and foamy. Then, dilute that with 4 liters of water before using. Pour it around the base of your plants or spray it on the leaves for a foliar boost. The big question, when should you use it? I recommend yeast fertilizer during periods of active plant growth. It's perfect right after transplanting or when your plants start to flower. I love using it on tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and leafy greens. Just don't go overboard. Once every 2 to 3 weeks is plenty. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, yeast fertilizer boosts beneficial soil microbes, improves root growth, and is super easy and cheap to make. But there are some drawbacks. It's not a complete fertilizer. You'll still need compost or a balanced feed for best results. Overdoing it can attract gnats or even throw off soil balance. Treat it as a supplement, not the main event. So is yeast fertilizer a game changer? I'd say yes, if you use it the right way. Think of it as a tool to boost your soil's natural health, not a magic bullet for all your garden problems. Pair it with good compost and consistent care, and your plants will absolutely thank you. Grow strong, grow smart, grow organic.